Well, the coronavirus is hitting Black communities especially hard in Florida and across the country.
Yesterday, the U.S. Surgeon General explained why COVID-19 is disproportionately affecting minorities. Local 10's Trent Kelly takes a closer look at the issue.
It's a troubling trend that we're already starting to see here in South Florida. In fact, according to some of the latest data from our local medical examiners' offices, about 46% of all COVID-related deaths here in Miami-Dade have involved minorities. If you go up to Broward County, that number jumps up to 52%.
He lived to make people happy.
Brandon Robinson of Lauderhill was just 34 years old when he died of COVID-19 last week. Two of his siblings contracting the virus as well, both now stable.
I want people to know that this is serious.
Robinson, one of a growing number of minorities to not only contract the virus, but also die from it. According to the latest numbers from the Broward County Medical Examiner, a little more than half of those who have died from COVID-19 have been people of color, with nearly a third of those deaths involving African Americans. The latest numbers from the Miami-Dade County ME showing a similar breakdown.
I don't see some people taking it as serious as it is.
Tangela Sears is a community activist in South Florida and is concerned some people may not be heeding all the warnings.
My concerns is the activities that I continue to see going on in my community. Family gatherings, parties, car washes.
The U.S. Surgeon General saying just yesterday the problem may be compounded by current socioeconomic issues and an overall lack of healthcare access among America's poorer communities.
People of color are more likely to live in densely packed areas and in multi-generational housing situations, which create higher risk for spread of a highly contagious disease like COVID-19.
And another thing to consider here, guys, is that all of those underlying health conditions we've been talking about, things like diabetes and high blood pressure, those already tend to be more prevalent among minority communities as it stands right now. It's the very latest from downtown Miami tonight. Trent Kelly, Local 10 News.